Hello everyone. In today's class, we discuss a Fourier series of even and odd function defined in interval 0 to 2 pi. Okay. We know very well in previous class already we studied Fourier series of even and odd function. When the variables in the function it is in the form of variables and simply a x form. Okay. Next, suppose the function it contains in the form of pi, then how to solve? How to find out that? Is it even or odd? Then how to find out that's Fourier series? Let's see. We know that a function f of x is to be even if f of x is equal to f of 2 pi minus x. This is applicable only when a function it is in the form of pi. Okay, pi with any variables. The function which containing pi, then you have to apply is it even or not. I have to apply this standard condition, that is f of x equal to f of 2 pi minus x, then the function is even. Otherwise, if the function is said to be odd if f of 2 pi minus x is equal to minus f of x. Okay, once again I will tell you, this condition is applicable when the function it is in a form of trigonometric function, cosine, or in the form of pi form. Then only you have to taking the Fourier series even and odd. Even you have to take this cosine in previous example, that is in the form of f of x is equal to minus f of x, then that is the odd. If f of minus x is equal to f of x, then that is the even. That condition is also applicable. Okay. Then we know that properties of even and odd, they are all similar. Nothing is changed. Just the condition, the testing the condition, is it even or not, that must be some changes is there. Okay, let's see. If you want how to find out, let's see here. For example, let f of x is equal to, I am taking cos x. Okay, putting f of 2 pi minus x. For f of x as a cos 2 pi minus x, putting cos 2 pi minus x means what? This is a fourth quadrant. Okay, and pi is multiplying with a 2. We have a 2 multiplying, that means it is a even. Okay, then multiplying 2 means cos as this is a fourth quadrant, then the fourth constant, the cos and second are positive, then this will get a positive, therefore we get a simply cos x, that is f of x, that is f of 2 pi minus x is equal to f of x, then the function must be a even function. Then what about, suppose it gave a sine. Once again, f of 2 pi minus x, then sine 2 pi minus x, then this is the fourth quadrant 2 pi minus x. The pi is multiplied with the even number, therefore sine as it is. But this is the fourth quadrant, the sine is negative, therefore we get a minus sine x. That is f of 2 pi minus x is equal to minus f of x, then the function is a odd function. Though this is the way to find it, the function even or odd. The formulas are same, that's the Fourier constant a naught, a n, b n. If the function is even, then we have one, the condition is bn is 0. We have to find out a naught, a n value. Let's see here. Similar, we know very well, f of x function is even is there. We have to find out a naught, a n. A naught value is what? 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into dx. A n value is 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x cos n x into dx, where even bn is 0. Okay, then what about, then the Fourier series in the form of a naught, a n only, bn is 0. Then what about if the function is odd? What is the condition? If the function is odd, then a naught, a n value is 0, get only bn value, that is 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x sin n x into dx. Then the Fourier series only is in the form of sine form. Okay, so these are the odd and even condition Fourier constant. Let's see. See here, I will show you. See, the function is it in the form of what? Simply it is in the form of x form. It's the variable. On that condition, how to find out is even and odd? Just put f of x as a minus x. If f of minus x equal to minus f of x, then the function is odd. This is applicable when it is in the form of function must be in the form of variable. Okay, I will tell this solution also given notes. Okay, let's see in their example. See in their example also, here x cos x is there. Okay, for x cos x, here also a variable is there. For a cos, you take 2 pi minus x condition or f of minus x equal to minus f of x, any one condition. Here it is easy to take. If the x variable is there, you have to take this condition, that is f of minus, put x equal to minus x. If f of minus x equal to, we get a minus f of x, the function is odd. Okay, let's see. Then when you take the 2 pi minus x condition, let's say I will tell you one more example here. See here, for this example, obtain the Fourier series of a function f of x is equal to pi minus x by 2. Here this function containing a pi. Then you have to apply. Then how to find out is it even or odd? For this function I have to apply x as a 2 pi minus x. In previous example, x as a consider minus x, but in this example which contain a pi, that's why I am taking x as a 2 pi minus x. Let's see what you get. F of 2 minus x is equal to, put x as a 2 minus x, we get a pi minus 2 minus x. Pi minus 2 pi, minus pi, minus minus plus. Taking minus common, we get a pi minus x by 2. Okay, then the pi minus x by 2 is a f of x. We get a f of 2 minus x is equal to minus f of x. Then the function is what? The function is odd function. Okay. Next, see, if you odd, what is the condition? We have a, what is condition? Condition is a1, a0, and we know that previously, if the function is odd, a0, an value is 0. Then we had to find out only bn value, that is 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into sin nx into dx. Okay, let's see the solution. 2 by pi as it is, integration 0 to pi, f of x value is what? Pi minus x by 2 sin nx into dx. Here 2 taking outside because it's a constant, then 2 get cancelled. Okay, and what you get now? 1 by pi integration 0 to pi, pi into, subtract this bracket, what you get? Pi into sin nx into dx minus integration 0 to pi x into sin nx into dx. Okay, solve this. Here also pi is there. What you get? For a pi is constant, take outside. Here pi get cancelled. You get simply integration 0 to pi sin nx into dx. Here the minus, the constant is not there. Let's simply multiply 1 by pi. Okay, let's see what you get the solution. The solution is here integration 0 to pi sin nx into dx minus 1 by pi integration 0 to pi x sin nx into dx. Okay, integration of sin nx is what? Directly it has only one term, that's why I am directly integrating. Integration sin nx is minus cos nx divided by n with the interval 0 to pi. Okay, minus 1 by pi. Here we have two variables. For two variables in a Fourier series, we have to must and should applying the integration by parts method. Okay, let's see. Putting x as it is, integration of sin nx is minus cos nx by n. Next minus. Okay, then what about x? Here minus sign is there, that's a minus minus plus. The x derivative is 1, then 1 by n, n is there. Cos nx integration is sin nx by n. Already n is there, and the n we get a n square. Then apply 0 to pi, upper limit, lower limit. Solve this. What you get? Put x equal to pi, we get a minus cos n pi by n, minus of minus plus, put x equal to 0, get a cos 0 by n. Here minus 1 by pi, put x equal to pi, we get a minus pi cos n pi by n plus, putting x equal to 0, we get a 0. You know that putting x equal to 0 for a sign, and putting x equal to pi, we get a directly 0. That's why I am neglecting this term. Then solve these two. We know that cos n pi value is minus 1 raised to n. Already minus sign is there. Minus n raised to n by n. Cos 0 is 1. We get 1 by n. Here minus 1 by pi as it is. Minus plus 1 by pi. 1 by pi get cancelled. Cos n pi is a minus 1 raised to n by n. Here plus sign is there, this is minus sign is there, therefore both are get cancelled. Then remaining is what? Bn values are simply 1 by n. Then the Fourier series of a function is what? F of x equal to a0 divided by 2 summation an cos nx plus summation bn sin nx. Here a0 value is 0, an value is 0 because this function is a odd function. Then what is the bn value? Put that value. F of x is pi minus x by 2 summation 1 by n sin nx running from 1 to infinity. Then pi minus x is equal to these two taken in RHS, we get 2 into summation form. Next x is equal to taking pi is RHS, what you get? Pi minus 2 summation sin nx by n. So this is the required Fourier series for a function f of x. Okay, it's a very important. The solution you have to find out directly. But this is important. When you put minus x, when you taking the minus x, x as a, when you take 2 pi minus x equal to minus x, when the function it is only containing variable, that is the x form. If the function containing a pi form, in this form, then put x is equal to 2 pi minus x to find out is it a even or odd function. Let's see one more example. Okay, see here. Obtain the Fourier series of a function f of x equal to x when x is lies between 0 to pi and 2 pi minus x if x is lies between pi to 2 pi. Okay, let's see in this type of a function how to find out the Fourier series. Okay, the Fourier series formula, you know that function must student answer sheet we have to write the Fourier series formula first. Okay, do not write directly. First you have to write the Fourier series of a function f period 2 pi is given by a0 by pi to a0 by 2 summation an cos nx summation bn sin x. Next function is defining. I am considering these two variable can be defining, can be taking more functions. This is denoted as a pi of x when x is less than 0 to pi. This is considered as a xi of x, that is a 2 pi minus x when x is less than pi 2 pi. This is considered first condition. For a first definition we have a pi of x, second condition xi of x, because we have to find out is it a even or odd function. For that, see here also the for a function first consider it's only variable, but consider second equation function definition, it is in the form of phi form. Therefore I am putting x is equal to 2 pi minus x. Let's see what you get. Put x equal to 2 pi minus x. Pi of 2 pi minus x is what? You get a 2 pi minus x, because f of pi of x is equal to what? X. Therefore we get 2 pi minus x. Then pi of 2 pi minus x equal to 2 pi minus x is what? Xi of x. What you get here? We get a even form. Don't be confused here. If they given a functioning defining 2 times, otherwise with a condition defining 2 times, that is in the form of x is less between 0 to pi, x is less between pi to 2 pi, then the function definitions are different, the function value are different, and that form how to find out the is it even or odd? Taking one function, putting x equal to 2 pi minus x, then if you get pi of 2 pi minus x is a xi of x, that is a positive form. This is also form condition. This is the part of the f of x also. Therefore, it is a even function. We get a RHS as a in the form of positive. That's why this is the even function. Okay. Next, for even function we know that the bn is 0. We have to find out the a0 and an value. Let's see. See here now a0 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into dx, our definition of a Fourier constant. Okay, 2 by pi as it is. For a function 0 to pi, what is the value? 0 to pi, the value is x. Therefore I am putting x into dx. Integrate 2 by pi as it is. Integration of x is what? X square by 2. 2 to get cancel, constant. Apply upper limit and lower limit. 1 by pi, x put x equal to pi, we get a pi square minus 0. Then pi get cancel. Simply we get a pi. Okay, let's see then how to find out an value. Okay, the an value is what? Formula Fourier constant. 2 by pi integration 0 to pi an, that is f of x into cos n x into dx. For an interval 0 to pi, the value is x, that's why I'm putting x here, cos n x into dx, 2 by pi as it is. Here, see here, you have a 2 variables, then applying the generalized rule for a integral part. This is x for a derivative, this is for a integrate. First, x as it is, integration of cos n x is a sin n x by n minus, okay, then x derivative is 1, then 1 by n as it is. What about sin n x? It's a minus cos. Already minus sign there, minus minus, we get a plus here. Then sin x is a cos n x by n. We get already one n is there, that's why I am taking here n square. Apply 0 to pi, upper limit and lower limit. Then solve it. 2 by pi as it is. We know that sin pi value, n pi value is 0, sin 0 is 0. That's why I am neglecting this term. Apply upper limit, lower limit for this term. That is cos form. What you get? Put x equal to pi, we get a cos n pi by n square minus cos 0 by n square. Then 2 by pi, cos n pi value is minus 1 raised to n by n square minus cos 0 is 1 by n square. Taking n square common, what you get? 2 by pi n square. The remaining is minus 1 raised to n minus n. So this is the an value. Then what to the Fourier series formula? A naught by 2 summation an cos n x summation bn sin x. We get a bn is 0, neglecting this term. Put a naught value is pi, therefore pi by 2 plus summation an value is what? 2 by n square pi minus 1 raised to n minus 1 into cos n x. So this is the required solution, that is the required Fourier series of a function if it is defined the different condition. Twice condition is there. In that we have to find out this type of to find out condition of even or odd. Okay. In next example or in next class, I will explain the if time period. We know that here the time period is what? It is in the form of 0 to 2 pi. Okay. Suppose we have the 0 to 2l. That is only we have a constant term. Then how to find out the Fourier series? I will explain it next class. Okay. Thank you.